Hello, this is Marco with Marco's Masonry, and we are back on the pool project, and we ground down the floor. Had thinset all over it after we tore those bricks up, and we tried every machine in town, and no one had the right equipment, and it was a nightmare what we had to go through. But what we ended up using was a 7-inch grinder with a 7-inch cup wheel, and it worked out great. Let me show you some of the floor here. So what we have left is that little piece there, and we're gonna show you how the 7-inch grinder gets it off. So I'm Marco the Mason, this is Luke. Say hi, Luke. Hi, Luke. All right, so let's get going. Okay, go ahead. Alright, it gets real smoky, so you got to make sure you have your equipment, your dust mask, earplugs, safety glasses. We got a fan blowing. We got every window open in here. There's a lot of windows. We got doors open. We got to have proper ventilation. So it was a heck of a job, but we got it done. So thank you for Marco's Masonry.